This is our hole punch. When you buy the product, it'll come with a metre long length supplied with your hole already in it. And just like that, there's your outlet hole, which you then attach the dropper to. To install your dropper, this tab here slides into the front of the gutter and then clips over like that. When you're happy with where it's sitting, you just bend that tab over and that's your dropper ready to go. Now we have our outlet on, we can put it in place and then measure the length from there to the first piece we put up. Exactly the same, pushing up at the back